Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway, and we are at 11 miles in Bull Bay looking at the construction of the new section of the highway. So from this point where we are at 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, a new road has been built. And where this bridge starts, that is where that road starts and goes all the way to the Suncoast Adventure Park. And the highway goes through the hill. So to give you a complete view or a complete understanding, this highway, the Southern Coastal Highway, runs from Kingston or Harborview through St. Thomas to Port Antonio in Portland. Now from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge is section 1A, and that's the section we're looking at now. So where we are is 11 miles. So from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, the highway is going to run along the existing road. So the existing road is going to go from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And at 11 miles, the highway is then going to go over the hill, and that is the bridge that we were just looking at. So straight ahead, that's the existing road. That's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes, and then it no longer run, the highway won't run along, or the highway runs from Harborview to this point along the existing road, and then from this point it goes over here, this bridge, and goes to the Suncoast Adventure Park. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park, it then continues along the existing roadway until it gets to Albion Heights, and then at Albion Heights it goes over the hill and comes out by the Suncoast, the Grandspend, and then from Grandspend to the Yallow's Bridge it runs along the existing roadway. So that's where we are now, 11 miles in Bull Bay. So we're going back on the main road now, so you can see the construction that's going on, because this is the road that's going to be converted from 2 lanes to 4 lanes of highway quality road. And you can see them working on the road, the new lanes on the left. So all the structures on the left had to be removed so that the additional lanes could be put in. And I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but you see some steel coming out of the road. That's where the concrete barricade is going to go. So this project is being financed by the government of Jamaica. Even though they might take out loans to build it, they're not going to be charging toll. You don't have to pay to use this road. So from where the video started at 11 miles all the way back to the Harborview Bridge, the existing roadway is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes and upgraded to a highway quality road. So if you see on the left, you see those the concrete walls. Those are new structures that went up because the existing walls had to be removed. So they rebuilt them to the left. So where we are now is the new lanes, or the new section. And then to the right, that's the existing roadway. So this is where they're putting in the 2 new lanes, and then on the right is the existing road. So what they'll do is fix these 2 lanes that we're on, pave it, put in a concrete barricade, and then work on the right 2 lanes, and then when they're finished, you'll have your 4 lanes. And they've actually put in a new bridge here. Okay, I can't remember if those cars drove over the bridge, but we're not going to risk it. Okay, so straight ahead on the left now is the police station. It clearly is in the path of the highway, but the structure is going to be removed. They are actually building a new police station, so as soon as the new one is completed, they will remove that one.